In today's video, guys, we'll be showing with you the exact price we're looking to buy the Chainlink dip. We'll be showing with you massive news for Chainlink. Chainlink and Arbitrum are working on the Ethereum ecosystem. This is huge news for Chainlink, so I'll be sharing with you the massive news that can have huge price implications for Chainlink in the long time frame. In the short time frame, guys, with Bitcoin and Ethereum dipping, Chainlink could have another dip, but it doesn't really matter. If you like the project, does it matter? People want to buy Chainlink and think it's a better project when the price is pumping. If you like the project, you should be happy with this dip. If you guys have been watching the YouTube channel, guys, one of the best dips we've bought, it's probably one of the best trades back in 2020 was buying this $1 dip. I said if Chainlink drops into here, guys, just blindly buy some. This was our zone. It literally dipped into it, and this ended up being the bottom in Chainlink. I'm not saying this will be the bottom, the zone that I'll share, but if it does get into there, I'm definitely buying some. So stay tuned. If you enjoyed the video, watch the video. If you enjoy it, then you can give us a like and subscribe at the end of the video. Now let's get into the video. So Chainlink, guys, is one of the only coins, if you look at the monthly time frame, where the price is just up and up. Even during the bear market of Bitcoin in 2018, Chainlink has continued to go up. So it's a coin that we really like. But what the point I want to make is, guys, Chainlink fundamentally is a great project, and if you do your own research, if you believe in Chainlink, what Chainlink are trying to do, if you get a 20, 30, 80% discount, you get in on that. You could be wrong, but that's better than buying here and be 80% down. If you buy it here and it doesn't go up, then yes, you could look to exit. I'll share with you the exact dip strategy where you can look to get in. There will be a bounce for you to exit. If you have been watching the channel, guys, I shared the exact Bitcoin dip. We bought some, we sold half in the bounce. In the YouTube channel, guys, I show exactly where we're looking to buy, and price comes into this zone, I'm going to look to just blindly buy some. I think there will at least be a bounce. This was our previous zone. Chainlink dipped below it about 20%, but then you had it 60% went up. Again, don't use leverage if you don't know what you're doing. If Chainlink sharply dips into this $10 zone, I'm going to look to ladder in some buys in Chainlink. I'll share some trade setups if it carries on breaking out, similar to what we looked at there. But look at how Chainlink came into here, and that's where you sold the bounce play, and it came into this level 34 zone. This was the 50% 618 zone where I said if it comes into here, take some profit. Now we want Chainlink to hold the $20 level, and as long as the $20 holds, you can look to buy some in the dip from trading point of view. But if it sharply dips another 20, 50, 60%, then just blindly buy some. That would be my trade setup. Again, this is not financial advice. Looking at other news, Chainlink is one of the projects that always have fundamental news. If you search for like Tron and other currencies, there's just talks about price. But if you look at Chainlink, there are some positive news. This is probably a bit of a dramatic news headline, fight climate change. But the point you can see, the reason why I like Chainlink so much is because they are trying to resolve real world case issues. They're actually trying to get adoption. The problem is, expanding these practices global in the agriculture is a high risk field for farmers in the developing world. So the Chainlink, what they're trying to do is, the climate change will do is shift rain patterns, and it will shift how rain patterns will be utilized. This is where the decentralized crop insurance through InsurTech protocols like Arbitrum that uses things like Chainlink and Ethereum are truly amazing. So you can see the real world use case of Chainlink, what Chainlink is trying to do with the Oracle, and the real world data connecting to blockchain. I think is that's one of the reasons Chainlink is one of my favorite cryptocurrencies. I talked about it in 2018, 2019, and I still talk about it. And the other positive news is Chainlink being used in the DeFi. People that are into DeFi, they're using Chainlink, and there's not just this project, there's hundreds of other projects that are using the Chainlink service. Chainlink will moon. I don't talk this channel, I try to talk about risks before I talk about mooning and bull and crazy stuff, but I do think that is huge news for Chainlink. So from trading point of view, guys, if it comes into $20, you can look for a bounce play. Whatever strategy you use, please make sure you have a strategy. If it comes in here, if it's a trend line break that you use or an indicator, whatever you use, look for something like this. And I don't think, I don't want to scare people saying Chainlink is coming below $10, but if Bitcoin loses the 30k support and drops, I think Chainlink and most of the cryptocurrencies are going to have a dip, and it could be an opportunity of a lifetime. And what I'd prefer is if it comes into here, a sharp bounce, and I'm not saying it will bounce straight up like this, but something, sharp pull, sharp bounce as soon as it comes to that level gets me really excited. And I'm not saying I'll catch another generational bottom, but I'll look for a trade, and I could be wrong. I've been wrong before. bought. There's been trades that I've taken and it kept on dipping. You know, there was a level here on $2. I bought it, bounced, it couldn't, I had to exit and got back in after. You can go watch the videos. The call I made around here was was it here or was it this one? Can't remember which one it was. Let me have a look which one it was. I believe it was around here. That call I made it on YouTube, and I said I would exactly when I was buying, and you know that was ended up being a good call. But you know, that's the level I'm looking to buy. If you are interested in Chainlink, ask yourself, why will I FOMO in at $50? The project, the fundamentals doesn't change whether it's at $50, it's at $10. If you believe in Chainlink and cryptocurrency, that is a level I would look to buy. So thank you very much for watching this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have enjoyed it, guys, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification button. Like I've said, guys, I think this could potentially be one last dip in Chainlink before it starts moving higher. Comment below and see if you agree that it's going to be one last dip, or do you think it's going to, you know, carry on going, you know, whatever your price prediction is. Comment below and let's have a discussion. So thank you very much. Smash